Hi, my name is Lindsay. I wanted to provide a review of this branch office chair. I was in desperate need of something more supportive with my work from home. My old chair just was not cutting it anymore. I loved how airy this chair was. You can see through it right there, but you can also see my hand. So it's nice and airy and breathable. The fabric is modern, really nice and wipes down well. I loved the white accents. It gave it a classic but modern look and feel. Another thing that I like is that the armrests can move forward, they can move back, they can also lower and rise. So depending on your height or your just like the height of your desk, if you're trying to match it, there's a lot of options there. And then it also can fully lower here or raise back up with just the flick of the lever here. So it's a very simple chair, nothing too complex. It was easy to put together. I did it myself. So it's a really nice option if you're looking for something to replace your current office chair. I just love the style. It's modern but classic.
If you're looking to put a home office together and you want a durable, functional, good quality, and comfortable office chair, I highly recommend this one. So a couple things I love about this. One, I love that it does not over clutter. It's super nice, it's super sleek, and it's not just a big eyesore in a room. Secondly, it is such a nice thick pad. It's super comfortable, plenty of support, especially if you're gonna be sitting in it all day. The mesh back is super light and breathable, which I love. It is on wheels, so super simple, moves around really nicely. You can move it around underneath an office desk very easily, which I love. And yeah, it's very easily adjustable. So these move back and forth. So whether you want them back for your arms or up forward, there is an adjustable to change the height of the chair if you want it lower or higher, depending on the desk that you're sitting at. But overall, I'm super impressed. It's very comfortable. It's holding up very nicely over time. I think it just looks really nice in an office. And I think it's a really good office chair option if you're looking for something like it. So I highly recommend.